The law of conservation of mass states that mass, is not created or destroyed during a chemical reaction. So basically, whatever you start with, you're going to end with. In this experiment, we're going to test that. Our materials for this experiment is vinegar, baking soda, beaker, small container, digital scale, and a Ziploc bag. So let's get some starting data. Here's our empty beaker. Here is our beaker with vinegar. Empty small container with baking soda. In our first experiment, we're going to test this in an open system. So in my beaker, I have 20 milliliters of vinegar, and in my container here, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You should have already logged your data for the amounts of each and your starting mass. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to dump the baking soda in, and I am not going to stir. I'm going to let it do its thing. And now let's put it on our digital scale and record the ending mass, 2.93. For the second experiment, our closed system, we will need a Ziploc bag, and there is your starting amount for your Ziploc bag. The second experiment will be a closed experiment, or as closed as possibly can get. In my Ziploc bag is the beaker with 20 milliliters of vinegar. In my little container here is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the baking soda into the beaker and quickly close the Ziploc bag to hopefully keep as little of the gas as escaping as possible. And we'll let it do its thing. When it finished doing its thing, there was the ending mass, 3.17. And now it's time to get that lab report finished. Good luck.